Watch this video and learn how to draw a baby chick hatching out of an egg. Later on, Barry Tone has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on then, it's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
Hello, Artie. Remember that little chick we saw?
Yeah?
The little yellow baby chick?
Yeah?
Let's do a drawing of her.
Whoa! This is gonna be awesome! Yeah! Whoa!
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Are you ready to draw a little baby chick, Artie?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I can see you've got your paper ready and your pens.
Okay, let's get going! Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's start by drawing our chick's eyes. We're going to draw two really small circles in the middle of the page, one on the left, of course, and one on the right, and then shade them in so that they're completely black. Have you ever noticed, Artie, often we start our drawings by drawing the eyes first?
Yeah!
Sometimes it's good to start with the eyes and then work out from there. That's certainly what we're doing today. Now let's add a little beak. We're going to draw a sort of tiny little slice of pizza. A V and then a curve on the top, like a mini slice of pizza.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's give our chick a head. We're going to draw a half circle all the way over the eyes and the beak.
Hello, Artie!
Oh, hello, Bunny!
Hi! Artie, your drawings are so good, I'd hang them in my bunny burrow.
Oh, wow, thank you!
See you soon, my artsy friend!
Bye!
Bye!
Okay, Artie, let's complete the head. That's it. A nice big half circle over the face. Nearly done. That's it. Awesome, Artie. Good job.
I've had an idea!
Are you going to clean your bedroom?
No,
Oh, well, what?
Artie wants a dance break!
Oh, you want a dance break?
Yeah, let's go do dance break!
Okay,
Dance break.
okay.
This is making me want to dance.
Me too!
It's deserving of nothing but a 10.
Dance break!
That was a great one, Artie.
Yeah.
Barry's got the moves.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with our drawing?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Now we're going to draw a zigzag-shaped line all the way underneath our chick's face. Lots of angled V's and W shapes. That's it, Artie. Wonderful. Keep watching to see Artie in a cartoon. It's awesome. Very good, Artie. Do you know what this jagged little line's going to be, little artists? Well, it's the top part of a broken egg. That's right. It'll make sense in a minute when you see it finished.
Have you seen Painty around?
No, I haven't. Not for a while, actually.
No, neither have I. Uh-oh, here comes Painty.
Bunny, don't laugh at him. He made a big mess that I've got to clean up later. Well, let's finish the drawing first and I'll clean it up. Well, that's it, Artie. Let's draw the underside of the egg.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break? Well, we just had
Yes,
a dance
please.
break. Okay.
Yay! Cartoon break! Cartoon break!
Artie, let's go and find some things that are oval-shaped.
Artie loves shapes. An oval-shaped mirror. An oval cookie. An oval sign. This pond is an oval.
Artie, it's an oval sandpit.
Yeah. Artie found ovals. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
But can we finish the
Oh,
drawing?
yeah.
Come on, then.
Okay.
Let's complete our egg shape. So carry on the curve. That's it, Artie. From the top all the way down. And then join up with the bottom where you left a little gap. A little bit more, Artie. That's it. Now we have a full egg shape.
Hey, Artie! Wow, those lines are in perfect harmony!
Thank you, Barry. Thanks for dropping in. Okay, Artie, let's add some feathers on the top of our chick's head. And now we have a chick hatching out of an egg. Oh, she looks really cute. I can't wait to see how you colour her in. I think she's finished, Artie. What do you think? Any more details?
I finished.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Well, what should we do now?
We could color it in.
That's a brilliant idea.
Okay, let's do it.
Colour it in.
Color it
Colour
in.
it in.
Color it in.
Colour it
Color
in.
it in.
Artie finished.
Wonderful work, Artie, as usual.
Yeah, Artie is very arty.
Yes, you are. You're very talented.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching, little artist. I hope you have an arty day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.